Alright guys, it's very difficult to make these videos. This is my third video that I'm putting out. I know I promised you guys that I was putting out 7 videos. My apologies. These videos are becoming very, very difficult to upload. I mean, I'm just assuming due to the higher ups, they just don't like it. They're not playing fair. So just wanted to say this before the video starts. This will be my last conversation about Bad Boys 3 until we drop the trailer to the dock. This is all you guys have. Enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Everybody assuming, and when I say everybody, I mean everybody. Every other comment, hope you sued. You sued. I know you sued. Lawsuit, lawsuit. But what I'm here to tell you, we did sue. We tried to sue. We couldn't sue. There's no way we can sue. Action! Ain't no way he was in an accident on that movie set. It's a $90 million movie set. No way. It's Will Smith. Told you guys, I tried to sue these people. Little old Shamar Parker from Maryland, what do you think he was going to be able to accomplish by going against the giant of Hollywood? I already was losing before I even started. There's no way possible you can just sue your employee unless it's negligent. It was negligence. Do I feel like I'm happy about the situation? No. Am I happy now? Yes. This has been 5 years ago. I grew to talk about it now because I feel like it's time. So just imagine, right, that this is the Harley Davidson that I was riding. And just say if I was trying to do a nose wheelie on this bike and this wheel lock up. This wheel is free to roll. This wheel is free to roll, but this wheel lock up. Just imagine what would happen, right? It will twist. Let me demonstrate this way. This wheel is free, but let's just say this wheel lock up. So when we go up, do a nose wheelie. Mind you, this the Harley Davidson wheel, this the guiding wheel. It locks up, literally just like that. We rolling, and I hit the button, boom, it locks up, spins, crash. Simple as that. And that's how my accident happened. So once we found out the accident wasn't my fault whatsoever, and we actually see a bolt, the same bolt that you guys looking at right now, we see a bolt hanging out the side of the guiding wheel, then we go back to them. We send it to their lawyer, and we're still not trying to go to the press. This happened 5 years ago. We still trying to be respectful. So, of course, we hit them up like, yo, so the bolt that y'all could have just slammed some Loctite on and painted it on there, y'all didn't. So guess what? It backed out and it caused it to what? Anybody that was riding that bike that day, you could just slap any different rider because that was their argument. If it was more experienced guy like Jay Lynch, he did it. Jay Lynch had 6 different wheels. After I crashed, that's what made it so suspicious. Y'all put 6 more wheels on the bike. 6 more wheels? I'm capping. But y'all put 3 more wheels. Here's a video if y'all don't believe me. As you can see, look in the rear at the explosion right there. I'm gonna slow it down for y'all so y'all can see. Look right there. What's that? I'm gonna slow it up for y'all. What's that? 1, 2 wheels. They gave me 1 wheel. They gave him 2 extra wheels in the front. So basically the sidecar turned into what? The sidecar turned into a 4-wheeler. Now the sidecar that's on the side of the Harley is a 4-wheeler. It's way more stable. This is a merry-go-round that you could put your kids in that goes around a circle in a goddamn carnival. When the carnival come around, this is the merry-go-round that go around on the carnival ride basically now compared to what I had to do. Totally different. Totally different. Again, as you can see, 2 wheels in the front, big wheels, go-kart wheels. These ain't no dolly wheels like I had. Now look at mine. So you see, boom. I'm telling Stanley, yell when you hit the button. We riding up, we riding up to our mark. Stanley yells. We go up, boom, we come down. But you can see, right? You see, all I got is what? 3 wheels. Look at me, I'm totally straight up and down. Just on the guide wheel, which is a dolly. That look like a dolly wheel, a rubberized, you know, them hand dollies that be in the warehouses. Look, one of them joints. As you can see from the side, again, 1 guiding wheel, that's it. We go straight up and down vertical. And as you can see, the rear jacks do what? They come up in the air. If y'all didn't see any flaws in y'all design, why didn't y'all just pick the bike up, flip it over, and just replace the rider?
But what the hell, boy?
No, I understand the show must goes on. We all understand that. We all have heard that the show must goes on. But that wasn't the case. It was the case that somebody f***ed up. And it wasn't me. I was not the one who f***ed up. No, I was not. Not me. Not Shamar. Not this time. Now, I will say the directors of the movie, Balil and Bilal.
What's up? We're here. Bad Boys for Life.
that for our boy there. Big respect, man.
Whatever their name is, no disrespect, they show love. They popped up, they came see me and Mama Love while we was in the hospital. But yeah, I wanted to close this video out by saying this. I'm done with the bad boy shit because I'm not trying to get my channel taken. I'm just, you save it for the documentary. There's so much more to add. But I mean, so much stuff went wrong with me trying to upload just a conversation about bad boys. They, like I said, they took the video down twice. They hit me with a strike. And then the video got so much slack, bro. I got 1 strike. 2 times the video's been taken down. It had got demonetized twice. Then it got hit with an 18 and over. That'd be 18 and over to view it. I never in YouTube history been through it before. So the video has gotten 53,400 views, which is good. Clap it up. It's good. It's good. It's how the hell they got 1,200 likes on that video, bro? 1,200 likes on that video, bro. How? How did they only get 50,000 views? When I got another video, they got 700 likes and they got 136,000 views. The higher ups, or whatever you want to call them, got to the video and they shadow banned my video, bro. Thanks. I already knew they had the power to do so because, like, I used to watch the news and try to see if, like, you know, anything pop up with my name on it, associating me to bad boys, anything whatsoever. And things used to pop up, but they never used to last. Like this clip.
Will Smith and Travis Parker. With box office smashing films like 7 Pounds, I, Robot, and I Am Legend, Will Smith's movies have grossed over $9.3 billion. But his stunt double, Travis Parker, is hoping to get a chunk of that money after losing his leg in an accident during the filming of Bad Boys for Life. Parker is suing the production company for millions of dollars after a motorcycle accident on set.
Stop the cap.
That clip, they literally had Travis Parker. Travis Parker did work on Bad Boys 3. Travis Parker has both of his legs still. I'm Shamar Parker. He's Travis Parker. It's a whole OSHA complaint. What else you got? It's a whole OSN complaint. A deadline made a report. It's so easy. All you gotta do is type in Bad Boys 3 stunt gone wrong. Anything like that, and it's gonna pop up. But hey, as you can see, the powers to be, they like to keep things on the hunt. That was my whole objective. Like, I'm not trying to beef with them. I'm not trying to kill their persona or who they are or make Will or Martin in the hot seat whatsoever. And y'all definitely wasn't my bosses. Could have took Will down and labeled him in the lawsuit. Hell, I was doubling for him. I could have said, hey, Will talked to me and promised me this, and this, and didn't even answer the phone when I called back.
No, did he?
I could have said that. I know Jack and Andy Gill is the ones that was in charge. I know Jack and Andy Gill tried to place the blame on me. Trying to say, oh, because I didn't have foot protection, that's why. They have boots with me, not on during that accident scene, during the take of that. I didn't wear any boots because I didn't come to set that day to rehearse that role. I came to set that day to rehearse stunt rigging. We was doing stunt rigging from 12 o'clock that day till 5 o'clock. 5:30 is when they came and got me and said, hey, the bike just got done. Can you come test ride it? Of course. It never was Will or Martin's fault. Like, they never was the blame. I promise you, the blame goes on Jack, Andy, Logan, Jeff, Jay Lynch, the guy that designed it, Kenji, everybody that was left on that accident scene, as y'all can tell, other than Dave, other than the stunt riggers, which didn't have no, they were just there to support because they was a fan of me and they wanted to watch me to perform the stunt. I literally went from one part of the warehouse studios to the other. So they drove me to the other side of the studios and they sat there because it was a quick stunt. So they sat there, waited for me to rehearse the stunt, and after I was done, they was gonna drive me back to the other side. I didn't think I was gonna drive away in the goddamn paramedics, but hey, like, that's how life is. Gotta take my daughter, I gotta do a bit of adulting, take my daughter to the damn doctors. I see y'all. Peace out. Thank you again.
You're welcome, pretty girl.
It wasn't that bad, right? You handled it like a pro. You handled it like a pro. I was so proud of you. You know that? Then you go to the dentist next week, okay? The shot made you feel better? Okay.
treat my bitches like they queen, like my bitches thick and mean. I'm a trapper, not a rapper. We get act, niggas actors. This a strike, still a traffic. Niggas caps, not a fat. Boy, you broke like a fraction. If you die, it wouldn't matter. Put your dumb ass on the platter. Name a bitch, I bet I had her. Every day I counted 50. Ain't no niggas fucking with me. I sell pounds from here to Philly. I'm the man up in my city. Every nigga with me blicky. Damn nigga try to stick me. Got enough can buy a Richie, but that padded really fit me. I spent thousands on my bitch. I've been cutting, I've been rich. I'm not mad, them niggas switch. I been knew that boy a bitch. They telling lies, get up and get 60,000 on my wrist.
It's real, baby. Ain't no round